So, how is the bankruptcy court handling court appearances, meetings, hearings, 341 meetings during the pandemic? The short answer is we are not doing it in person. Everything's being done over telephone or Skype or even Zoom. No in-person court appearances. Now, on a helpful side note, if you decide to wear a bandana to stop yourself from coughing and sneezing, when you walk into the office, instead of taking it off, turn into an ascot. You've got a whole Fred stylish vibe going on from Scooby-Doo. But as for bankruptcy, we are not going to court right now. According to the Utah Bankruptcy Court website, there will be no in-person court appearances until we reach a new level of normal risk, which for Salt Lake County means green, whatever that means. So until further notice, everything is done over the phone. Now, let's do 341 meetings first. Normally with a 341 meeting of creditors, you go to court. You meet with the bankruptcy trustee. Your creditors appear, they can ask you questions. The bankruptcy trustee has to verify your driver's license, social security number. That's not happening in person now. Your attorney over the phone verifies your driver's license and social. You call into a large conference line. There are probably 30 people on the conference line. Hit your mute immediately, otherwise the trustee will start barking at you. And then the trustee calls cases one at a time. You turn off your mute, you start speaking. There will be creditors on the line. They can ask questions if they want to. There will be many technical difficulties. It's just like a computer. Hang up and call right back in. The court will give you instructions on the phone number and the secret code to use to get into the 341 meeting of creditors. And it saves you a drive to court looking for parking and everything that entails. Now, as for court hearings, when you have a court hearing, you don't go to court. That is also done over the telephone. You simply call into the court line. The moment you call into the line, the court staff will ask who is calling, and they'll mark it down so they know who you are. When they call your case, turn your phone off of mute and start speaking. Now, as for a 341 meeting of creditors in a Chapter 13, they still want that in-person touch without actually having to touch you. So they'll be doing it over Zoom or Skype. Now with Zoom and Skype, if you've never used it before, you can actually use it on your smartphone, which makes it fantastically easy. There's no download. They just email you a link, you click on the link, and it enters you into the Zoom room so they can start asking you questions for your court meeting. It's actually fairly nice. Takes some of the stress out of having to go to court. So right now during the pandemic, how is the court handling court appearances, hearings, 341 meetings? We're not doing it in person. We're doing it over Skype or over the telephone. You have a great day and stay safe out there.